In this video, we are going to see how to add HubSpot contact to ConvertKit. So here my objective is that every time a new contact is added to my HubSpot CRM, then the same user should be added as a subscriber to a form in ConvertKit, which is an email marketing platform. How can that be done? For this, we will have to integrate these two applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. So here your trigger application will be HubSpot and your action application will be ConvertKit. Now how can you do this yourself? Integrate and automate this entire process. To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and here we have reached the landing page. Now I'm going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. If you are a new user, you can simply sign up. It is not going to take more than 2 minutes. Here we have reached all applications page. These are the various products of Pabbly. We are going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. As we do that, here we have reached the dashboard. On the right hand side, we have a tab create workflow. Let's click on this, and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now what is my objective here? That every time a new contact is created in HubSpot, then automatically the same user must be added as a subscriber in ConvertKit. Add HubSpot contact to ConvertKit. Let's click on create. And as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important modules. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action here is the response of your trigger application. Now as per this integration, my trigger application here will be HubSpot CRM. Let's click on this. And the trigger event here would be new contact added. So this trigger event is the event that is going to make this workflow run. Now on the right hand side, we can see it is written that this trigger will check for new data in 10 minutes. So this means that our trigger application has got a polling time of 10 minutes. So this workflow is going to run in every 10 minutes to fetch for new data. Now I'm going to click on connect. And as I do that, here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the HubSpot CRM account. So we are going to select add new connection, connect with HubSpot CRM. I already have logged into my HubSpot CRM account. So here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the right HubSpot account. So we have to choose an account here. Let's click on Pabbly, choose account. So once this is done, here you can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect are now connected. Now here we have to mention the output properties. So the basic properties that I need here to create a contact are like first name, last name, email address and phone number. So here I'm going to select these output properties. So first of all, I'm going to write first name here. Okay. The next thing here is last name. So here it is. Then we have the email address. So I'm going to write email. Let's go down. Here we have the simple email. And I also wish to have the phone number. So here it is. So let's say that I have got these 4 details. If you wish, you can add more output properties. I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as I do that, the last user that was created there, so we have received the details of that user. So let me show you the same. Let me take you to my HubSpot, and here we are going to go to contacts. So you can see this was the last user that was created. So we have received the same details. Now when you wish to create a new contact, you can click on this orange tab, and here we have to enter the email address. Let's say it is smartfellow@pabblytuts.com. Then we have the first name, which is smart. Then we have the last name, fellow. Then we have the contact owner, so you can add an owner. Then the job title, phone number. Let's say the phone number is, so done. And then we have to enter the life cycle stage. So this is a subscriber, lead status. So I'm going to write it as new lead. And then we have to enter the date of birth. So I'm just going to leave this blank and click on create. So as I do that, here we can see that this new user has been created here. Let me show you. Yes, we have this. Now as I click on save and send test request, you can see that we will receive the new details, right? So once I have received the details, what is my objective? My objective is to add this user to ConvertKit as a subscriber. So my action application here will be ConvertKit. Let's click on this. And the action event here would be to add subscriber to a form. Let's click on this, click on connect. So here again Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the ConvertKit account. I'm going to select add new connection. Now to set up this connection, we need the API key and the API secret. So what you have to do is first log in to the ConvertKit account, then click on the account setting. As you do that, here we are going to scroll down, go to advanced, and here is the API key and the API secret. So first of all, I'm going to copy the API key, go back to Pabbly Connect, paste this over here, go back to account settings, and here this is the API secret. I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste this over here. Let's click on save to set up this connection. Yes, so the connection has been set up. Now here we have to select the form. So we have created only one form. The name is subscriber. So I'm going to take you to ConvertKit. Let's go to grow, and here we have the landing pages and forms. So you can see that I have created only one form. The name is subscriber. So this has already been created. Next here we have to map this information. So let's click on this. You can see the previous step here, and here we have to look for the first name. So this is the method known as mapping. This is important so that every time the workflow runs, it can take the new data into consideration. Now the next thing is the email address. So again, I'm going to click on this, go to the previous step, and this here is the email address. Now let's say if I hadn't mapped this information. So if I had written the same email address manually, so even when my workflow was running for the nth time with some new data, it wouldn't have taken that data. It would have taken the same email address. Just to avoid that, we map the information. Next is tag. So I already have created a tag. The name is HubSpot Contact. So I'm going to select this and click on save and send test request. So as I do that, here you can see that the subscription state is shown as inactive. And then here we have got rest of the details. These are our user details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to ConvertKit first. And here we are going to go to subscribers. Then as I take you down, let's click on confirmed subscribers. And here you can see unconfirmed subscriber. So yes, here we have smartfellow@pabblytudes.com, right? So we have got the details. Now this particular person must have received an email. So I'm going to go and show you the same. And here you can see that yes, we have received the mail. Thanks for signing up. Click the link below to confirm your subscription and you will be on your way. So as I click on confirm your subscription, we can see that the subscription has been confirmed. Now I'm going to take you back to ConvertKit. And here I'm going to go back. So let's go to the confirmed subscribers. And yes, now you can see that smartfellow@pabblytudes.com, this particular subscriber has been confirmed. So this means that our integration is a complete success, but we also need to check the same in real time. So I'm going to take you back to HubSpot, and here I'm going to create a new contact. So let's go back and here create contact. Let's say this time the email address here is strangenew@pabblytudes.com. And then we have the first name, which is strange, and then we have the last name, which is new. Then we have the phone number, which is okay. So let's click on done. And what is the life cycle stage? It's a subscriber. Lead status is now, let's say, new. And now I'm going to click on create. So here you can see that this particular user has been created. Now let's go back to ConvertKit to see if we have received this person in the unconfirmed subscribers. So here we can see that we haven't received the user yet. Why? Because there's a polling time of 10 minutes. So let's wait for 10 minutes and then we are going to check the same. So it's been some time. Now I'm going to refresh this page. And here we can see that yes, within unconfirmed subscribers, we have received strangenew@pabblytudes.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to again confirm the same. So here you can see we have received another mail and I'm going to click on confirm your subscription. We can see that the subscription has been confirmed, taking you back. So here I'm going to now go to confirmed subscribers. And yes, we can see that we have the new user here. So this means that our integration is a complete success. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, let's quickly understand what we have done. So here our trigger application is HubSpot CRM, where the event is new contact added, and our action application is ConvertKit, where the event is to add subscriber to a form. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us. Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.